Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com, and it's Monday, December 5th. Okay, I want to look at Disney today. I haven't looked at this in a while, but this stock looks like it's about ready to push through $100. Did it a little bit today for a moment, and then slipped 4 pennies. But if you look at the weekly chart, you can see the uptrend is over. Now, though, the stock has been drifting, kind of sideways to down, I guess, for most of 2016. And that leads us back to the daily chart. Some, chatter about whether Disney's going to spin off or get the heck rid of, ES Political Network. And nobody seems to want to watch football anymore. I'll leave those comments to somebody who has an opinion worth sharing. But anyway, Disney looks like it's building a pretty decent setup here. We got a pretty nice setup. I like the fact that it is trading right below $100 because you like these even figures. Here's why. It's at $99.96. Don't buy it now. Okay, it's trading in this range. Wait until it breaks above this range. I would rather buy it at $100.04 or even $101 than $99.96, because if I'm buying it at $99.96, I'm buying it in anticipation that the stock is going to do something that it hasn't been able to do. If I wait $1, I'm buying it after it has shown me that it is pretty much done with this trading range and it's moving on to the next one. So I'm giving up $1 in return for a little more certainty. I'll take that any day, because then here's the other thing. If I'm buying at, say, $101, I can put my stop pretty tight, 99, maybe $98, but shoot, even $99, let's compromise and say $98.50. I have a really, really tight stop on it, and if I'm wrong, if the stock ultimately falls back into congestion, well, I don't really want to be buying the stock anyway then, and so I'm glad I got stopped out for a small loss. On the other hand, if the stock keeps going, I had the confidence to buy the stock because I had my risk contained. So anyway, okay, that's it for this free video. Members, we're talking a little bit more about ETFs, which I'm going to start doing more of going into, and certainly into the first quarter, or in the first quarter of next year. And we're also talking about some trailing stops.